to steps to strengthen your pinky for piano. A chance Samuel 6-3 asks, my pinky collapses when I try to reach for octaves. What should I do? What do I do if my pinky collapses when I play slow and loud? The pinky is naturally a weaker finger. We can strengthen it with drills and exercises like Hanon. Step 1. First, we must check your form. The outer side of the pinky can be used, instead of just the point of the finger. Look at how you use the thumb, finger 1. We do not use the point like fingers 2, 3, and 4. We can use the side of our pinky and hammer down as well as the point when we need to stretch octaves. This will require some practice, but you'll get the hang of it eventually. Step 2. If your pinky collapses, I highly recommend starting Hanon No. 31 to train your pinky strength. Go slow and play firmly. Press each key down. Follow the finger numbers. Make sure to use a metronome and count. The top comment of the day goes to at Ghostly Stitches on YouTube. These were fantastic tips. Thank you very much, Lucien. I've been playing piano on and off for years on a keyboard. Not full size, I forget how many keys, and even now I'm learning more and more from you. I plan to learn more from you, as you inspire me to play more often. Relieved face, raising hands, red heart ghost. If these tips were helpful to you, please let me know. It would mean the world to me if you could leave a review and share with your friends. If you have any further questions, please send me a direct message on Instagram at isaipinahacks. I try to reply to every single message. Keep practicing, and most importantly, have fun.